Have you ever wanted to download an older version of an app because the latest version isn't good anymore, or is missing important features? Or you can't install the app at all because it requires a newer iOS version that your iPhone doesn't support? In this video, I'll show you how to downgrade apps and install older versions on iPhone, step by step, no jailbreak, safe, and no computer required. Alright, let's dive into it. First, let's talk about the tool called Pancake Store. This app allows you to downgrade apps from the App Store and install older versions directly on your iPhone, even if your iOS version is no longer supported by the latest app update. Let's see how to downgrade apps and install older versions using Pancake Store. There are two ways to install Pancake Store on your iPhone, with a computer and without a computer. If you're using a computer, you can install Pancake Store using tools like SideStore, OutStore, or Sideloadly. This method is recommended because it's more stable and almost guarantees a successful installation. But if you don't have access to a computer, don't worry. You can still install Pancake Store without a computer using Apple JR Signer. Now let's install Pancake Store without a computer. First, open Safari on your iPhone and go to applejr.net. Go to the Library tab. Then tap Jailbreak and look for Pancake Store. Once you find it, download the Pancake Store IP file. After the download is finished, go to the Signer tab. Next, download the DNS anti-revoke profile. Tap Allow button. Then go to your iPhone settings. Open Profile, download it, and install the DNS profile. This step is very important because it helps prevent the app from getting revoked. Once everything is installed, go back to Apple JR Signer website. Upload the Pancake Store IP file that you just downloaded. Now select the certificate list. I recommend starting from the top certificate on the list and trying it first. After selecting the certificate, tap Sign button. Wait the signing process. Once it's done, tap Install IPA and confirm the installation. After a few moments, Pancake Store will be installed automatically on your iPhone. You can now go back to your home screen, and you should see Pancake Store. Then verify Pancake Store first. Go to Settings. Hit General, VPN, and Device Management. Then click Trust on Pancake Store. Now Pancake Store ready to use. First, log in using your Apple ID. Don't worry, this process is safe, and your Apple ID information is not stored. Then, tap Send 2FA code. If possible, always try to send the 2FA code first. Enter the verification code that is sent to your device. If you don't receive the verification pop-up, you can enter 6 random numbers into the verification field to continue. Now, tap Login. Once you're logged in, go to the App Store. Search for the app you want to downgrade or install because it's not supported on your iOS version. In my case, I want to downgrade and install ChatGPT because the latest version doesn't support my device. Tap the Share button on the app page and copy the App Store link. Then go back to Pancake Store and tap the Clipboard button. Now, tap Downgrade. Choose either the manual method or the server method. Select the app version you want to downgrade to. Once selected, just wait patiently while Pancake Store downloads and installs the app. After the process is finished, the app will be installed in the selected older version and ready to use on your iPhone. If the download fails, try a different version or switch between the manual and server method. And now, as you can see, the app is successfully installed on my iPhone. This is the older version that we selected, and it's working perfectly on my device, even though the latest version is not supported. The app opens normally, there are no crashes, and all the features I need are still available. So this proves that you can downgrade apps and install older versions on iPhone, even if your iOS version is no longer supported without Jailbreak and without computer. Alright, thanks for watching this video and I'll see you on the next one.